everything under like applying directly in UHE. Like, I know a lot of people are asking like, why doon mag-a-apply? Ano yung pros and cons when applying in UHE? And I know that a lot of you guys want to know then ano yung mga kailangang i-prepare um, way before yung flight. Kasi I see some people na would message me like, "Hey, mag-book na lang ako ng call sa'yo 'pag nandiyan na ako sa Spain," ganyan. So, definitely that's not the way to go. Most likely than not, you have to have all of your documents ready before your flight, just because you want to submit the moment you get to Spain. Like, the moment na nandun ka na, either if you're DIYing it or you're with a consultant, dapat the moment na nandun ka na, makapag-submit ka na. Do not waste your Schengen visa days, especially if it's hard for you to get your Schengen visa. Ayan. Other than that, ayan, welcome guys.